Welcome to the IT and Infrastructure Committee talk. The IT Infrastructure Committee is led by Jennifer Harrow from Elixir and Björn Grüning from the University of Freiburg. Our aim is to develop IT infrastructure to support the ongoing pilot assemblies, but also look into supporting plans for the Biodiversity EU proposal. We invite anyone involved in the training committee, anyone developing workflows for assembly and annotation, and anyone in general interested in technical development to join us. Our plans for 2022 are to have regular calls to discuss infrastructure needs and support other communities and ERGA pilot projects. We will have GitHub repositories for sharing methods and workflows. We will document how to access compute and storage resources, support web content development, discuss training needs, and have clear data sharing policies. Moreover, we would like to assemble first pilot genomes using the resources from the European Galaxy server and look into opportunities to join forces with EGIA's, the Accelerated Computing for EOSC, to support our growing compute needs.